As a commercial truck driver, you're vital in helping to move our economy forward by transporting products throughout California, other states, and countries. But you also have the responsibility to keep accurate records to do business in California and provide the information to the Department of Motor Vehicles every year. The International Registration Plan, or IRP, is a voluntary program, and California requires you to sign an agreement with your annual renewal, saying you will maintain and provide a specific list of records. Keeping proper records is important should the DMV audit them. If you have missing information, you'll receive an assessment equal to 20% of the fees you pay to each jurisdiction during the registration year. These are three main sections of the IRP agreement. Section 1000 requires you to maintain good records for 4 years and provide them should you be selected for an audit. Section 1005 defines the purpose of the records, which is to verify the distance you report on the application for apportioned registration and to evaluate the carrier's distance recording system. And Section 1010 describes the information contained in the records. We'll explain more in a moment. As a carrier, you're required to provide your trip information and can use a variety of forms. These are 2 examples. Some of the information you'll need to track includes trip dates, origin and destination points, the route or highway numbers you traveled, beginning and ending odometer readings, and distance you traveled in each jurisdiction. You'll want to take a close look at this trip sheet. This is an example of how your information should be logged in order to create accurate summaries. You'll need to provide a comprehensive trip sheet if you're called for an audit. While the plan only requires odometer readings for the beginning and end of each trip, many carriers record odometer readings at state lines to accurately calculate jurisdictional distances. At the end of each month, you'll need to record the distance each vehicle in your fleet traveled within each jurisdiction. This will make it much easier to track mileage for each month, quarter, and year, and to prepare the Schedule B portion of the registration renewal. These are 2 other examples of fleet summaries for all your IRP apportioned vehicles. The one on the left is broken down by unit number. The other is by month. For IRP purposes, the reporting period is from July 1st through June 30th of the prior calendar year. Except for carriers that renew their registration in July, August, or September, their reporting period is the 12-month period ending June 30th of the previous year. To make sure your records are ready to submit, check that your reported distances match your summaries. Make sure you're not missing information or your summary is incomplete. Double-check that you have all your source documents and that there are no unsupported time lapses or idle periods. Simply put, keeping accurate records means you'll spend less time here and more time in the driver's seat, doing what you do best, delivering products that keep our economy healthy and growing. For more information about the International Registration Plan, visit irponline.org.